Switzerland, contest Mister-Supranational. I'm very happy to be here, and this is contest extra incredible. See you.
Okay. What are you having tonight?
22. Huh?
Tonight, what are you going to do tonight?
The challenge for the cook. I don't know really what to do.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Live. This is Mr.
Es live. In live.
Live.
En directo. ¡Hey! ¡Venezuela!
Greet everyone.
¡Hey!
Oh.
Alicia Machado.
Oh.
Nueva era.
Oh, they post. Gracias. Mr. Argentina, this is live. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, how are you? I kiss for my Ferraristas that support me everywhere and anytime, okay?
Tell something about yourself. You can speak in Spanish.
Ok, ¿cómo están? ¿Todo bien? Soy Super Matt, quiero decir Matt Ferrario, sí, estoy muy contento de estar aquí, estoy representando a Argentina y la estoy pasando muy bien, todo muy ordenado, muy rica comida, mis compañeros excelentes, una linda competencia para estar, así que creo que estoy demasiado bien aquí en este contest.
Gracias.
Gracias a ti.
Mister-Suriname, say hello to everyone in your
Hello
country.
everyone, how are you? Feeling great? Cup of stuff? Yes.
How's your experience so far?
Well, feeling great. I like it here.
Thank you. Mister Malta. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm me from Malta, and I'm really loving this journey here. Hope you're all well.
What do you have tonight? What are you having tonight?
Tonight we have the cooking challenge.
Cooking
The
challenge.
breakfast actually.
Oh.
Breakfast.
Do you know how to cook?
I know a bit. I'm not a pro, but
Okay, say hello to your fans in Malta.
li kif intom kollox sew. Nissja Malta ħafna nispera li tintieħdu kostarawni u nispera li morru tajjeb ukoll. Thank you. Cheers.
Mr. Netherlands.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
We're currently live. Introduce yourself.
I'm Rico. I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm proud to represent my country here. How are you, my friend?
How's your experience so far here
My
in
experience
Poland?
is I think Poland is a great country, all great people here, they're all my friends, and I'm curious to the next challenges, and I'm going to do my best for my country.
It's the cooking challenge, right?
Yes, the cooking challenge, so I'm not worried about it. The cooking is not spectacular in the Netherlands.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook. I did an education for 1 year for it, so that's not a problem.
Really? What is your specialty?
My specialty? Yeah, my specialty is high protein food to build muscle.
Oh, nice. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Mr.
Romania. From Romania. Hey guys.
Tell something about yourself.
About myself, what can I say? I'm a fighter, so I never give up. I'm here in this competition. I'm very proud to be in the first edition of this Mister-Supranational. I will hope to do all my best. I'm very curious what will happen tonight in the cooking challenge. I'm not the best cooker, but not also the last one. We will see. We will see. Thank you very much.
What do you cook usually?
This will be a surprise also for the judges, also for me.
Nice. Alrighty, see you later.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Sri Lanka. Greet everyone in your country.
Hi guys. Hi, how are you? What's up, Colombo? I'm there. I'm so excited because today I'm doing a cooking. I don't know what is this English, but I like it.
Do you know how to cook? Do you cook in your country?
Yeah, I know. It's a little bit. Will try.
What do you cook?
Sri Lankan rice and Sri Lankan foods and paripu, which I really like, and chicken. Today I will try to do the new experiment with this. See you.
Alrighty, thank
you.
you.
Okay, Bani.
Brazil and Puerto Rico, we're currently live.
Live?
Yeah, live.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
We are here before our cooking challenge. So let's see what I do because I have some ideas.
Getting to know.
It's a secret. It's gonna be good.
I'm gonna say good night for Philippines. Mangandan Gabi. I miss Philippines so much. I lived there 5 months and I really love this country. It's like a piece of my heart.
And don't forget, follow us to our journey every day. Don't
What's your
forget
name on Instagram?
Trenche. Trenche. Trenche.
My name
Mr.
is-
Puerto Rico.
Yeah. And my name is Bruno Fani. Follow me there, guys.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know. I'm gonna cook tapioca. It's traditional from Brazil. Tapioca with cheese and egg. It's very good and very healthy. You guys gonna love it. I swear.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hi.
Say hello everyone, Mr. Paraguay.
Sí, un gran saludo y un beso a todos. Aquí esperando para la prueba del reto de culinaria. Vamos a preparar un rico cocido paraguayo.
Greet everyone in your country, Paraguay, your fans. Say hello.
Saludos a todos los paraguayos, mis queridos paraguayos.
Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? Cook. You.
I know.
No? Ah. Okay,
Saludos.
thank you. Okay, we have here Philippines and Japan. How are you? What are you going to do today?
It's a
Tonight. And how's your experience so far in Poland?
Masaya naman dito sa Poland, sobrang lamig. So, visit po kayo dito, sobrang lamig. Mag-enjoy po talaga mga Pinoy dito.
Okay, greet everyone, all your fans in the Philippines.
Hello, kumusta kayo lahat dyan sa Pilipinas? Mag-ingat po kayo, may bagyo daw dyan. Keep safe everyone.
Thank you. Mr. Japan.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
My name is Ricky.
Ricky. Do you know how to cook? No cook? What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
Pizza, wow. Nice. Say hello to everyone in Japan. Japanese.
こんばんは。はじめまして、リッキーです。皆さん応援よろしくお願いします。バイバイ。
Thank you. Okay, hi, Mr. Wally.
What's going on?
Tell something about yourself.
I love to surf. I love the outdoors. Anything in the water. And I don't like the cold. So I figured out what being here.
So there's no sun
No
here
sun,
in Poland.
never. It gets dark at 3.
Yeah. In Hawaii, there's always sun in your country. So how's your experience so far here in
It's going
Poland?
great. I've met some great people. It's nice to meet people from all over and see how many commonalities we have. And it's been a sweet experience so far. Glad I'm here.
Thank you, Mr. Mr. Angola.
Como está?
Say hello, Portuguese, to your fans. Say hello. Talk in Portuguese.
Oi?
Greet
Olá, como estão? Tudo bem?
your name.
My name is Osvaldo.
Okay, thank you. And we have here the very handsome and cute Mr. Sweden.
Hello. Much love to all the Philippines.
This
Thank
is
you.
Mrs. Ology. greet everyone. Yeah.
Okay, it's Mixology. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to be here. I have a great time with great people, and it's really fun to be here. And the best Paui is also here with us. Thank you.
What are we having tonight? What are you having tonight?
Well, I think we're gonna have a competition with the food competition, but before that we are trying some more clothes, and after that we're gonna have a cooking competition. So it's gonna be fun, really exciting. I have. We will see what they want us to make.
Do you know how to cook?
Sorry?
Do you know how to cook?
Well, I usually cook the very, very easy stuff, like healthy food, just chicken with some salad. So those things I can. But today I will be, we will see what I'm gonna do.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food? Well, I have to say my favorite food. It's a difficult question because I have so many things. I usually like mantu. It's from Afghanistan, and now Enrique is interrupting. But it's okay. No problem. But else, I do. Don't tell anybody, but I do love pizza. It's good for.
Nice.
It's not good for the body, but it's good for the mind, you know. I believe if you're happy during eating, then you're gonna be a good person.
After this pageant, you can eat a lot of pizza, anything you want.
Believe me, I'm already ordering.
Okay, thank you. Mr.
Thank you very much, Paulsky. Paulsky, Mythology, everything.
Thank you.
Love you. Bye bye.
High five.
Bye.
Oh my God, Rafa. Eating.
Venezuela.
Wow.
Venezuela, Switzerland.
Amigos.
Muy bien.
Hermosos.
Filipinas. Alicia Machado.
Gracias. Hello, Mr. Denmark.
Yeah.
We're currently live. So, tonight is the cooking challenge, right?
Yeah, it's the kitchen challenge.
Do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I do know what to cook. I'm gonna cook an omelette. It's a thing that I eat a lot, so I hope the judges will like my omelette as well. I call it omelette à la marque.
Wow. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food? I couldn't say because I like very much food. So I couldn't say that one food was my particular favorite.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Denmark. Say hello to all your fans.
Hello. Hope you're doing well out there.
Thank you. Of course, mi amigo, Señorito Panama.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
How are you?
Fine, thank you, and you?
All good. So, what are we having tonight?
Okay, now I think that they have a feed in there, inside of there. Maybe they feed in some clothes, I'm not sure.
So, do you know how to cook?
Oh, not very well, to be honest.
What do you usually cook? Just hot dog?
Yes, something regular just for survive, like rice. No, rice no, just like fried eggs or plantain or something like sandwich, something very easy to cook.
And what is your favorite food?
I have so many. Oh, I like pasta. It's my favorite. Yes.
Wow. Gracias.
A la orden,
Panama.
Chao.
Bye bye. Hello, Mr. Canada. So how are you tonight?
Pretty good, actually.
So tonight is the cooking challenge. What are you gonna cook?
What am I gonna cook? Is this supposed to be a secret?
It's okay, you can tell them.
I'm gonna make pancakes.
Pancakes? Is it your specialty? What do you usually cook, Dato?
Not breakfast, but gonna give it a try this time, I guess.
And what is your favorite food?
That's a good question. I've never thought of that before, actually. Probably pizza.
Pizza.
Because I'm Italian, so it just kind of comes with the package.
Okay, so greet everyone, your fans and your followers.
Hey fans, thank you so much for following me and all your support. I love you.
Thank you. Canada. Mr. China, hello. So, do you know how to cook? Cook? No. You can speak in Chinese. What is your favorite food?
Favorite food? Everything.
Everything, wow. So, how is your experience so far here in Poland? Your experience in Poland? Are you having fun? Are you enjoying?
Yeah. It's my first time to meet so many guys. It's very exciting.
Okay, greet everyone, your fans and supporters. Say hello to your fans.
Hello, friend. Nice to meet you guys.
That is Mr. China. Shashe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sawadee. This is the better life. Mr. Thailand.
My name is Wanuma. I'm from Thailand.
Do you know how to cook? You speak in Thai.
อ๋อสวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ ชาวไทยขอกำลังใจหน่อยนะครับ คือตอนนี้ก็กำลังปรับสภาพนะครับเข้ากับโปแลนด์ตอนนี้ก็เป็นเวลา2 นะครับประเทศไทยน่าจะเป็นตี 1 ตี 2ครับนี่ก็โอเคครับเริ่มปรับตัวได้แล้วก็มีเพื่อนๆโอเคครับหลายประเทศครับแอมโอเคครับ
Bye-bye. Hola.
Vamos a cocinar.
Amigo. We're currently live on
I
the
see you
Sociology.
in Manila, January 3rd for this Universe 2016.
Yes, see you. Wow. Do you know how? Can you ask him if he knows how to cook? He can speak in Spanish if he knows how to cook. He knows how to cook. Translate. If he knows how to cook.
Ah, que va a
Yeah,
cocinar.
yeah.
Que dice que digan que lo que vas a cocinar.
Bueno, yo voy a cocinar una receta que me enseñó mi mamá. Un pollo guisado con papa al vapor. Sencillito, no me traje el harina pan. Aquí en Polonia es imposible conseguir harina pan. Pero voy a hacer un pollo guisado con papas al vapor. Con poca sal.
What is his favorite food?
¿Cuál es tu comida favorita?
Bueno, de comida favorita tengo muchas. Me gusta bastante el pabellón, una comida típica venezolana. Pabellón, arepa, por supuesto, como venezolano. Pasticho, pasticho, pasta, pasta con lo que sea, pasta, mucha pasta.
Gracias, señorito Venezuela. Muy bello, muy hermoso.
No, pero ¿y qué vas a pasar con una bella representante venezolana? He will say something. He
Okay.
say something for you, Filipinos, Venezuela.
Okay.
Bueno, y Venezuela tiene una gran representante en el Miss Universo, Marian Jabás, gran representante para todos los filipinos. Estoy seguro que hará un buen papel. Eso a Marian.
Gracias. Bye.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Thank you. Mr. Egypt, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good. So tonight is the cooking challenge. What are you going to cook?
I'm going to learn Oriental food. It's called shakshuka. Shakshuka is made from eggs and tomatoes and some red pepper, and maybe I can put some olives on it.
Wow.
I wish I could do falafel, but I don't have the ingredients here in Poland, but the next time.
Okay, what is your if it's for your last day on earth, what will you eat?
What's the question again?
If it's your last day on earth, what
I
will
would
you
eat
eat?
pigeons. Egypt is famous for cooking pigeons stuffed with rice. I adore pigeons.
Okay. Can you greet all your fans in your language, in your native language?
Can what?
Greet, say hello in Egypt.
I don't know many different languages. I just know Arabic and English. Okay, so I will say it in Arabic. ازيكم عاملين ايه؟ اخباركم ايه؟ اتمنى تتمنوا لي التوفيق ان شاء الله وبتاع في مستر سوبر ناشونال. بعمل كل مجهود اللي اقدر عليه ان شاء الله عشان ارضيكم وان شاء الله خير باذن الله واطلع اخد التايتل باذن الله. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. UK, hello. Tonight, I'm good. So tonight is we're currently live.
Okay.
Yeah, tonight is the cooking challenge. What are you?
Cooking challenge. I'm very excited to do the cooking challenge. I mean, I'm going to be doing something which is very English. We're going to be doing an English breakfast. So I am going to bring a little taste of London over to Poland.
I have a question for you. If it's your last day here on Earth, what will you eat and why?
Last day here on Earth, I would make myself the most luxurious hamburger with foie gras and truffles and then lots of mayonnaise. I'll make the most fattening burger, extra fat in it, with a brioche bun. That would be my last meal. And I'd make the mince from Wagyu beef.
Oh,
there you go.
Nice. How different is your country, United Kingdom, to Poland?
Our country, well, I mean, it's the same temperature in our country. We've got, I mean, I think that it's a lot busier. London is very fast paced. Everything in London moves a lot faster. So out here, it's a lot slower, which is good. We get time to relax.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Say, introduce yourself first.
Hi there. My name is Rex, and I'm Mister-Supranational 2016 United Kingdom.
Thank you.
Y más que todo
Live. I'm doing live right now. The Arab one is Mr. Hi, Rafa. How are you?
Very well, thank you very much.
You will cook? What will you cook?
Traditional Polish food, this is a breakfast from my home. This is very easy.
Very easy. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Wow. What is your favorite food?
Chicken rice.
Chicken?
Chicken rice, this is my favorite now. Best food is seafood.
Seafood. What kind of seafood?
My first contact with seafood 6 months ago. Now this is my best delicious food.
In the Philippines, you eat a lot of seafood?
Yeah, like, because Philippines food is crazy. A lot of oil, a lot of proteins.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Mr. Czech Republic.
Oh yeah.
We're currently live.
Oh, nice.
So introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, my name is Jan Pultar. I'm from Czech Republic. I'm 23 years old and I'm gonna win.
Oh, wow. So tonight is the cooking challenge. What are you going to cook?
I will cook like a typical Czech breakfast It's mixed eggs with the bread and the butter.
Nice.
And some green on the top.
Oh.
It's very delicious.
Okay. I have a question for you. If it's your last day here on Earth, what will you eat and why?
My last day on Earth, I would make a big party for everybody I know and make a really the best time of my life.
What will you eat? If it's your last day on Earth, what are you going to eat?
Yo, to eat?
Yes.
Rump steak with
Steak? Oh.
yeah, steak with beans.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Czech Republic. And greet everyone, your fans.
Yeah, thank you.
Say hello to your fans, to
Hi,
your
my
supporters.
fans. I love you all.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hola, señorito, Mr. Peru. You speak English?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. So, tell something about yourself.
Well, um, well, I came from Peru. I live actually in Russia sometimes. I speak 5 languages actually, and I've been in the Navy, and now I work like a model.
Wow. How did you learn all these languages?
Because I live in Russia. Spanish is my own language. When I travel around Brazil, I learn Portuguese because it's quite similar, and English in the school when I when I'm in elementary school and high school. And Italian because my cousin lives in Italy. I came to visit him. Like I went to visit him very often. Yeah, I got it. No, what's so hard.
Wow. You travel a lot?
Yeah, I like to travel a lot. I really love to travel. I love to discover new places all the time as possible.
Nice. Are you a model? What do you do?
Yeah, I am a model. Yeah, I work like for photo shoots and the runaways for every kind of modeling, for videos, everything.
Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food? Well, actually, I like a lot seafood.
Seafood?
Yeah, I love it.
And
red meat also.
Red meat.
Yeah. It's depends of the weather. Yeah. It's depends on the weather, of the mood, but I like almost all the food. I love veggie. I like fresh food all the time. I don't like oily food. This is the mix. I love all the kind of food, but I doesn't like oily food.
Okay, you've been to a lot of countries.
What?
You've been to many countries,
Yeah.
right? What food you really find delicious?
Delicious?
In which country?
Actually, Peru.
In Peru?
Yeah, it's a Peru.
Wow, describe the food in Peru.
Have everything. It's super fresh because nothing is frozen. Nothing is frozen. So always it's super fresh. The vegetables, the fruits, the meat is super fresh, and you can find sea stuff super fresh because we have sea in the capital. So it's like a really super easy to get that.
And what are you cooking tonight?
What are we cooking
for
tonight?
the challenge?
Actually, I have to see which ingredients I have because if I have something in my mind but then I don't have that ingredient, so I cannot do that. So I will see which ingredients I have and I will improve it myself.
Okay, so greet everyone in Peru, all your supporters and your followers.
Okay.
Say hello to them in Spanish, in your language.
Okay. Hola a todos en Perú. Pues un saludo para todos y gracias.
Thank you so much, Mr. Peru. Your name again is?
Álvaro.
Álvaro. Gracias. Dami nagkahanap sa'yo.
Hello again. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan?
Anong lulutuin mo tonight? What are you cooking?
Steak. Charot. Secret surprise.
Do you cook?
I cook
in
a
the
lot.
Philippines?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You know how to cook?
I cook steamed chicken.
Wow. Thank you, AR. Mr. Slovakia, we're currently live. Introduce yourself.
What?
Introduce yourself. Introduce. Yourself. My name is
Yeah, something to myself. My name is Karol. I am from Slovakia. I'm 20 years old. I drink tea because I'm a little bit sick.
Oh, get
Yeah.
well soon.
Yeah, I have antibiotic, but I live, but no kill, but it's okay.
Do you cook?
Huh?
What are you cooking
Yeah,
tonight?
little bit yes, but uh, but uh, only basic
Basic food.
basic food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is I like much McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Yeah, a lot of people told that it's very bad, but if I if I eat what is bad, I don't eat nothing because everything in here is bad. Bad. Coffee is bad, bread is bad, ham is bad, everything is bad, and I don't eat animals food. In rucola, you know what is rucola?
Cola?
Rucola.
Cola. What's
This
that?
is vegetables. You know, I told that I need normal food, and normal food for me is chicken, and who's that, McDonald's? Chicken and French fries and popcorn. And I am soup man. I like soup.
Soup.
If I travel on the world and in my country, I every time eat only soup.
Wow.
Yes, because I like all soup and everywhere and every time.
Okay. And greet all your followers, your supporters in Slovakia in your language. Speak in your language.
Tak dneska nás čaká ešte nejaké fotení, chalani sa tam fotia a za chvíľku budeme mať challenge varenia, takže držte palce nielen mňa, ale aj ostatným chalanom, pretože to budú potrebovať. Ja osobne variť neviem, ale tak uvidíme, že čo z toho robím.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
That's Mr. Slovakia.
The other one, I was very sad. Very sad.
Yeah, that was live. Yeah. Amigo.
Yes, please.
We're currently live.
Hi.
Yeah. Say hello to everyone. We have here Mr.
Hello,
Mexico.
everybody, people.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Diego Garcia. I'm from Mexico, and we are in the special meeting. We are preparing for the Master Chef. It's named the Master Chef. So I'm going to say thank you for the support and everybody, people. I am so happy to be here and I'm going to say hello for everybody and kiss for all.
Are you going to cook? What are you cooking tonight?
I'm going to surprise for all the people.
Wow.
Surprise.
And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food, of course, is the tacos.
Tacos.
Of course. It's a typical food in Mexico and it's so delicious. Tacos and tequila.
Tequila.
This is
Tequila?
a perfect combination.
Oh, wow.
Tacos and tequila, this is so good.
My favorite food is Mexican. I like Mexican food. Nachos, tacos.
No. The typical food in Mexico is the tacos.
Tacos.
Tacos and the burritos. That's the typical food in Mexico.
Greet all your fans in Mexico in Spanish.
Ok. Vamos a mandar entonces un saludo a toda la gente. Gracias por el apoyo que estamos teniendo aquí en el Mister-Supranational 2016. Estamos súper contentos con toda la gente. Estamos aquí en Polonia, por supuesto, con toda la gente, súper agradecidos. Nosotros, bueno, me despido. Saludos para toda la gente y diciéndole gracias por todo el apoyo que hemos tenido. De mi parte también. Saludos a toda la gente.
Gracias. Bye bye. Okay. Say hello to
Hello, everyone.
Belarus.
Yes. Where is the light?
Okay.
Hello,
How are
everyone.
you?
I'm Mr. Belarus, Vindalov Sergey. Hi to everyone. We are just waiting for Master Chef competition and we are gathered all together, having drinks, talking, and spending a good time. Photo shooting with gorgeous lady.
So what are you cooking tonight?
I will cook the national traditional dish from Belarus named draniki. It's based on potato. So it's nice. It's nice. You eat it with a cream, with sour cream.
Is it your specialty?
Yeah, it's the national Belarusian
National
dish,
food.
you know. So
And
it's national recipe. So I choose that one.
what is your favorite food?
Look, because I live in Greece last 14 years.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm from Belarus, but I live in Greece. I like very much Mediterranean kitchen, fish, just sea specialities, and for sure the local Belarusian food. But the Greek food is more healthy because I'm trying to be fit all the time, so I keep an eye to eat healthy.
What are you currently doing in Greece?
I'm working in Armani boutique, boutique with expensive brands, men's boutique, yes, and modeling.
Okay, so greet everyone, your supporters, all your fans.
Thank you very much for your support, everybody who knows me. I feel your positive energy, it gives me a lot of power, and thank you very, very, very much.
And in your language?
Спасибо большое всем, кто меня знает, кто меня поддерживает. Я очень ценю всю вашу поддержку. Хочу передать привет всем своим знакомым в Беларуси, в России, в моем родном городе Могилеве, всем своим ребятам, всем моим родным. Спасибо вам большое, я вас очень люблю.
Thank you.
And I can say in Greek also.
Okay, sure.
Θα ήθελα να στείλω τους χαιρετισμούς μου σε όλους τους φίλους μου στην Ελλάδα, όσοι με γνωρίζουν. Σας ευχαριστώ που με υποστηρίζετε και βοηθάτε. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ τα φιλιά μου και την αγάπη μου. Γεια σας.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I will be able to see it on your page.
Yes, in sociology.
All 12 hours, we actually was running